Hey there, you may be wondering, who are we? We are the Student Council of Creative Business, but shortly you can name us StuCo. We are here to introduce you to a new world of opportunities. StuCo is divided into 4 departments, namely the Marketing Department, the Events Department, the Design Department, and the Development Department. The awareness campaign is specifically designed to match you to an event for this year. Based on your answers, you will automatically be matched with an event that perfectly fits you. You can access the event matcher by following the link in our StuCo Instagram bio.
To show that we are also doing online meetings and discussions so that we can adapt to the situations. I don't think that it's too stressful.
So, stick around to find out more about the events we will provide for you this year.
Media innovation camp, a creative business experience. And most people, when they buy a CD, they're really looking to buy that CD once. Because I was once that person. I was once that person that's...
This year, we will create a fun speed dating online event for you to make new connections and to get to know your fellow students. But you can make it romantic if you wish. Exciting adventures are awaiting you in the upcoming day trips. Tag along with your fellow students and explore media-related locations. We are looking forward to seeing you at this year's events. However, due to the constant change in the measurements, we are not sure if it will be physically possible for us to meet. We are working hard on creating exciting and interesting events for you, and we will try our best to always provide the best content for you, even if it comes as an online event. It is still going to be fun! If we caught your interest and you would love to join StuCo, make sure to apply for the Student Council if you want to become a member of our community.